Hey guys, I'm Sylv, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to draw dog and cat eyes. Now, I've been focusing a lot on dogs and cats because I draw them the most out of any other animal, so I feel that I can correctly guide you as to how to draw them. I don't really draw any other animals apart from fantasy ones, so I sometimes draw guinea pigs, so if anyone wants to know how to draw guinea pigs I can also do a video on that. But cats and dog eyes. So these are again sort of stylized, cartoony. I can draw realistic ones, but it takes longer. So you've got your dog eyes here. And dog eyes, they're kind of round, but they're sort of almond shaped. Like that. Here's the other one. I find that 3/4 views are quite useful. A lot of people draw in 3/4 views. The muzzle will be coming along there. They look a bit cattish, but don't worry, they won't. There's his eyebrows. And I find the dog eyes often have kind of like, you can see the skin there underneath the eye, because the fur doesn't grow all the way up to the eye. I do the highlight next, which is just a circle. And dog eyes, they have round pupils like this. There. Now, you don't really see the whites of a dog's eye unless it's looking very dramatically in one direction or the other, or sometimes if it's frightened. There are a lot of animals that you don't see the whites of their eyes unless they're frightened, which means they're sort of dramatically looking in one way or the other. So that's just a sort of realistic dog eyes there. And dog eyes from the side, more like this. I should really be drawing these bigger. I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm used to drawing eyes small. Now the eye from the side, obviously you only see like a side profile of it. So you've got the front of the eye along here, and then you've got the back sort of going off like that. Again, I add the highlight there, and there's the pupil, and his muzzle will be going along here like that. So there is a side view of the dog's eye. Now, cat eyes in a way are a little bit easier, because how I draw cat eyes, I'm going to try and draw these a bit bigger so you can see them better. So cat eyes are also almond shaped, but with cat's eyes you can kind of afford to do them a bit more stylized. Cats don't have the sort of fluffy eyebrow thing going on that dogs do, but they often have a couple of whiskers there, and those whiskers are to help them navigate small spaces. So if they can get their head through it, it's likely they can get their body through. But the whiskers are generally the same height and width as the body, unless the cat's overweight or something. So the cat knows that if he can get through a space without his whiskers touching or being bent too much, it's likely he can get his body through as well. That's a bit wonky there. It's because I had that one covered up, so I couldn't really see what I was doing. Again, you don't really see much of the white of a cat's eye. Cat pupils are a little bit different. They can go round to take in lots of light in dark places, or if the cat's sort of honing in on a mouse, or they can go as thin as just a line if there's a lot of light. And the cat has a shorter muzzle as well. His nose would only be like that. I drew some of the face to make up for that terrible wonky eye. That's just really bad. So there you go, cat eyes. You get the general idea anyway, even though that eye is very wonky. Like I said, I'm doing this kind of like, I'm not really editing these, I'm just kind of drawing. And I'm drawing with pen, which means I can't rub out. So the side of a cat's eye is similar to a dog, really. It just goes like that. You've got the highlight there, and then you've got the slitty eye. And the whiskers come off like that from where his eyebrow would be. And there's his nose. Cats have quite short noses. I find that I see people drawing cats with long noses, and it really doesn't look very good. So remember, cats don't have long noses, they're short. A cat with a long nose doesn't really exist. You've got dogs with different length noses, but cats always have short noses. I can't think of any examples of cats with long noses right now. So that's pretty much it for drawing dog and cat eyes. You can see them all there. Not the wonky one. That was terrible. But I hope you found this helpful. Again, it's just a little short tutorial video. So, yep, I hope it helped you. As always, like I say, use real life references, photos of cats and dogs, and you can style it how you like if you want to make it semi-realistic, but at least then you have a starting point of the real animal's eyes. So, with that being said, feel free to check out more art videos in the boxes coming up below, or you can look at my Etsy and New Monday stores. I do custom plushies, including cats. I'm thinking about doing a line of dog plushies actually as well to go with them. Or buy me a coffee on Ko-fi, the links are all in the description. So stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.